Continuing on our unit on quadratic functions, today we're going to talk about how to use your TI-83 calculator to graph a quadratic function. The function that we're going to be using is x squared minus 2x minus 8. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to your calculator and you want to click on the y equals button on the top left hand of your calculator. When you click on that, it's going to take you to a screen like the one that is shown above, and then you just want to start typing in your function. You can plug this into your calculator by simply just going to that XTEN button. It's right next to alpha, right below mode in the top left of your calculator, and hit that button and you'll notice X will show up on your calculator. And then simply you can either hit the X squared button, or you can hit caret 2 to get the square. Then hit the minus, not the negative sign, but minus 2x minus 8. You're now going to go up and you are going to hit the graph button in the top right hand corner of your calculator. When you do this, the calculator will go through and it's going to graph it out. You'll notice you can see the parabola, but you don't really see any numbers. You can see where the vertex is, you can see where the zeros are, but you can't really tell where they are. So what you're going to do next is you're going to hit the trace button. So the trace button is located right next to the graph button, and if you click it, it's going to take you into a menu. Alright, and on that menu you have the options of value, 0, minimum, maximum. The one that we're going to pick is number 5, intersect. You're going to notice a cursor is going to show up on the parabola itself, and you can use your left or right arrows to move that cursor along the parabola. Then I'm going to move my cursor all the way to the left until I get really close to that x-axis. Once I get close to the x-axis, I'm going to hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times, and it'll actually tell me the answer of that curve. For the other 0, because there's one on the other side as well, I'm going to hit the right arrow, get my cursor to go all the way over to that other point, and then I'm done.
Try it out!